Hello, in front of me I've got 70MAI Dashcam. In this video I'll show you how to attach it to front windshield. Firstly, prepare this plastic sticker and read the instruction. Put the electrostatic sticker on the front windshield. Make sure that the front windshield is deeply cleaned and degreased. Now we have to unstick this part and then stick the sticker like this. Once it's sticked to the front windshield, take a look at the camera. Here we've got this special holder. We have to slide to this place. Once it's done, unstick the white stick and then stick it like this. Now the camera should not fall off. Later, adjust the camera lens angle. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.